What's good, grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 3 best money making apps to earn PayPal money in 2019. If that sounds good to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 3 best money making apps to earn PayPal money in 2019. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I tell you about these 3 money making apps, let me tell you about what's in my description below. Check where it says free giveaways. Now, in these free giveaways, they will help you on your journey to make money online. Now, the way you need to get these free giveaways, you need to be subscribed to this channel. And then what you're going to do, go down there, click on this link, and it will take you to a website, and you will see these 3 free gifts that you can have just for you, totally free. I also have some other cool stuff in the description below. I have something that will help you increase your views if you have a small YouTube channel, and also is a link down there that you can click on that you will make money just for signing up. So check out those links also down in the description below. All right, please watch this video to the very end because I have a special bonus for you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you the 3 best money making apps that will earn PayPal money in 2019. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm in the App Store, the Apple App Store, and I put up this app called Play and Win. So let's read on here and see what it says. Play and Win is a free, fun, and exciting trivia game. Test your knowledge and answer trivia questions to collect the most points and experience the thrill of winning. A new game starts every hour with questions about technology, sports, culture, movies, history, games, and general information. Play and Win is free and does not require any in-app purchases. So let's go ahead and scroll down here and see what the rating is. The rating is 4.5. That's real pretty good. Out of 5 stars, it's 4.5. And let's look at a review. And it says here, I love it. Writing a review to show my support, since many say it's a scam without even trying the game for real. I've been playing for a few months and now I have been paid $100 twice in less than an hour. And it also says here, and then there's a $10 game every hour. So this person won $100 twice and then get $10 every hour. They can win just playing trivia. So I'm just going to run through these apps right quick. So this is the first one. Again, it's called Play and Win, and it's available on Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. So let me go to the next app. And I'm at the next app, and it's called The Plug. And the website is plugco.in. And it shows here the Plug easily monetize your influencer audience. So if you have an audience, a large audience that you are catering to, some type of service, or even uh, getting them to watch your content or follow you, whatever content you are showing, then this app right here can monetize your audience. So it says pick a plug, and it says choose an app to promote, post it, or on your socials. Then it says here, choose from high performing campaigns, copy a link, and download new ads daily. So you'll be promoting something on your social media accounts with, that you have a large audience with, and you get paid promoting this. So right here it says make money. So earn plug coins for your promotions, turn coins into cash. Cash out anytime with PayPal, receive fast payment, and view your account history with ease. Then right here it says you could track, see your promotions in real time with rich analytics and notifications. Track installs to page views, get notified when new plugs become available. And they also got a referral program. And this is an invite-only app. So you have to be invited to get this app. All right, so that concludes this app. If you're interested, go ahead and go to plugco.in. All right, let me go to the last app. All right, I'm on the internet, and I'm at this website called MNFST. I'm going to go ahead and call it Manifest. All right, so it says here, create, get paid, make it fair. We are on a mission to empower people to support what they generally like and benefit from it monetarily and morally. And this is available at the App Store, which you got to have an iPhone to download this app. And this is how it works. With Manifest, everyone is an influencer and can capitalize and grow their digital assets and support the charities and causes they care about. So what you're going to be doing is promoting charities, brands, and you get paid for it. So it says here, create, make a branded photo or video in seconds. Then it says post, share it with your friends on social media, get paid, receive payments in 24 hours. Withdraw instantly or donate to a cause. Withdraw to PayPal. I don't know this other one, Revolt, or donate to a charity of your choice. And it says here our users earned $92,882. So it says here Jessica, let me scroll back. Jessica posts manifests for ideal flatmate and earns $5 per post. That's something else. No telling how many posts you can put up. And this one earned $8 per post. And let's see what, and this one right here earned $12 per post. And this person get $4 per post. From what from my research, I guess it depends on how big is your audience, and they will go by that and let you know how much you're going to get paid per post. And it says here, how valuable is your profile? Find out by downloading the Manifest app. Discover what you can earn per post on social media. So this is a pretty good app. But let me just go ahead and read some of the reviews here. Now, this person says the best app which pays you for what you would have done for free, helps curate great pics for social media and earn money. No hidden agenda. All is very transparent. And here's another one. I love this app. I just want everybody to know this app is the only real deal in the App Store. And here's the last review that I see on here. It says highly recommended. Highly recommend. Great. I earn money every day and can withdraw via PayPal. I tried it out and I had the money in my account within minutes. And right here it says support what you love, earn what you deserve from brands, and spread the word out. About charities and causes you care about. So you're going to be spreading out, things about charities and causes. And when people click on there, you get paid. All right. So that's all about this app. If you're interested, just go to mnfst.com. All right, now you know the 3 best money-making apps that you can start using today. So go ahead and download those apps and start making this money. All right, thank you for watching this video to this point. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus I want to offer you guys. If you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. Yes, free money. And all you have to do is drop a comment down in this video and all my videos that's leading up to the 500 subscriber video. I'm currently at 377, so I have a little ways to go, but I'm slowly but surely getting there. But with you guys' help, I can go a little bit faster and get to this 500 subscribers. Because what I'm going to do once I make it to 500 subscribers, I'm going to go ahead and randomly pick a comment and reward the first person with $20 cash via PayPal or $20 Amazon gift card. The choice is yours. And the second person, I'm going to reward them with $10 cash via PayPal. And all you have to do is just drop that comment down below and make sure you are subscribed. So if you're new, please destroy that subscribe button and drop that comment down below. All right, that's all I have for this video. Again, please smash that like button if you liked what I talked about today. Drop a comment down below if you have a question, and share this video on social media everywhere. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, I'm done. I'm finished. I'm about to get out of here. But before I leave, I just want to tell you this. Make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.